Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for tuning in to this recording, which was done on Monday, December 2nd, 2024, starting at 6:50 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Let's take a look at this. We got the crude oil here, WTI crude oil, and look at this resistance right in there. I took a paper trade. This is paper trading. That's cool. Took a paper trade. Entered around. Let's see, where or was it? Entered over at. Come on, running kind of slow. Let's go. Boop, pop that. Drop this down. Bought at 68.16. Sold at 68.20. Looking to get back in. So wrong one. But look at this 20 mark, we got resistance. See it in here is a 15-minute chart, a lot of resistance. So right here, I was thinking about going long, but look at that doji-ish type of candle. It's right formed with this one right here. I was too busy messing around with this recording, getting this recording software going, and I missed this little uptrend. I wanted to get back in around here and get another pop another one off at about the 20-ish range. If it starts if the price starts closing above 68.20, then I'll probably go long again, maybe when we're on this video. And then I would think maybe the next target that I would be looking to get out at would be probably around the 68.40, just because I see a lot of stagnation, resistance, whatever you want to call it, right in here. But until we figure out what that's doing, then I'm just gonna watch that for a moment. So we'll pull this up and look at some other trades. Let's see if we can. What time frame is this on? 1 hour. Let's change this to the 5 minute. We'll go 2 day, 5 minute. So I can be watching that. Okay, can be watching that while. Come on, give me some price in there. There we go. Oh, it already dropped down, huh? Maybe we should just. All right, maybe we'll skip what we're doing. All right. You know what? How far is it? How far is it going to go down? I guess we're just deviating from whatever I was thinking about doing. Maybe this is the original plan. I don't know, but let's put an order in. Let's see if we can get filled at what? Mm, I don't know. I think I think we can let's see if we can get filled at buy and see if we can get filled at 68.17. Send that in real quick. All right. So see if it drops down a little bit. Now okay, we got that box checked. Switch this over here, get off from Meta. All right. Watch our trade right there. So I had that paper trade put on, trying to get back in. I got this one going. What exactly is this? Yeah, sold a put at the. Let's look over here. Come on. That's not working. Sold this put. Boom. I sold that earlier today. Can't remember what price did I sell it for I think I think 455. Any profit on that? Profit $1.25. One reason why I did this is just to see how quickly I could how quickly it doesn't move. If I put a position on, I tend to watch it a little more, pay attention, not just to the underlying asset or whatever asset I'm trading, but I like to see how quickly do these numbers change? How quickly do I get a profit and loss? And so far, it seems like it's pretty slow. I sold that put. Nothing exciting is going on. It's profitable by $1.25, and I have an order to close it at $2.60, which I think is like a $13 profit or something. But so far, I think for me personally, I'm just not super excited about the leverage in on this micro E-mini contract. I've kind of gotten spoiled with a 1,000 to 1 leverage right over here on crude oil, where this it's like 25 cent leverage or whatever it is. I think it's like yeah, 25 cents. So one, let's take a look up here. Maybe we can figure it out a little better. Hey, come on. There we go. Okay, here we are. Micro E-mini. One 25 cent move gives you a change in your position by $1.25. So that is pretty good leverage for the mathematical wizards out there like myself. You've got 4 quarters in a dollar, 25 cents. So 4 times $1.25. Ooh, whoopsie. 4 times, I don't know what that is. 4 times $1.25. So one move there we go. Boom. You see we got filled. Great. Now let's put a pause on this right now. Pop, go over here and let's go to close this out. Come on. You can do it. There we go. We're gonna set a closing order right here. Put that in, and then we'll be on standby. So let's go back to whatever it was I was talking about. Was it oh yeah, so $5 move. And let's do this. Over here, we will let's take a peekaboo over at analyze. So this is what the risk graph is looking like. Nothing super impressive, especially on this part, right? The profit part. In case you don't know, see these two colors here, purple and blue, whatever color that is. Not sure, aqua, teal, whatever. But anyways, watch as I move this. See those numbers change until you notice that blue number hasn't been changing. That's the max profit. Nothing super exciting, but that's one thing that's wonderful about paper trading is you can experiment and learn and look at our getting close to that 68.20. So let's see if that is going to fill for us while we're doing this. Okay, so that's one trade I got have on, and we can take a look at this real quick. Come on. All right, so now here is our risk graph. Because I'm long a futures contract, risk graph just going to look like this, and wavering around. Let me take a peek at. All right, so on our 5 minute chart here, looks like we're running out of steam. Right, we're starting to see these moving averages get closer. It's starting to get clumpy here, but on this on the 15-minute chart, moving average could start turning over. But yeah, we'll see. I do think that it's possible during the next 20 minutes or so, this could, before it completely crashes down, it could hit 68.20 again, even if it's just quickly passes through like here or right here. Look at over here, it was all the way up here. I was waiting to see what was going to happen. I wanted to when this candle closed, you can see if it's this top right here is showing the open. Uh-oh, we're really going the opposite way there. I was waiting to see when this drop when this after this bar closed, opened up here, and I wanted to see what was going to happen in a short amount of time. Whoa, drop down here. Like it was pretty quick into the beginning of 5 minutes of this. So that was showing me there's like up momentum stalling out, right? We don't see any candles like that through here. There's a little one right there, but not real big like this. And then we had 10 minutes later, boom, we're back up here. But now we're chopping. We're getting chopping. I was chopping in here. But uh let's see if it's gonna chop back up to 68.20 or if at least by the time this video is done. Now let's say by the time this video is done, it hasn't chopped back up to 68.20. Then what I'm gonna do, because it is 7:02 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. I'll go to sleep with this thing going because what does it matter? It's paper money. It'll just be a learning experience. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'll look to see, did it close? Did I hit 68.20 or did it go the total wrong way? Now, let's say if it goes the total wrong way. One thing that I might do is I might sell a covered call option against that futures contract. I could look at this one, going to be, well, it's already expired. Look at expiration for tomorrow, Tuesday. I bought it at 68. Where did I buy it at? This is interesting. All right, here we go. 68. I bought it at 68 16. I can maybe sell the if for some reason it keeps going the opposite way. Or even let's just do it now just for fun. Let's see what happens. See if we can get filled. All right. So now we're filled. So the more crude oil is going down, this will become profitable. We'll take a look over here. So our actual futures contract is down $50 right now. Why $50? Because for every penny move, the position changes $10. So it's down 5 pennies from where we bought it. And our call has not moved yet, but I will put a closing order in this. And let's say if this gets we bought it at what price? Let me double check. Price was this bought at, oh yeah, okay, 39. Okay, we brought in $390. Why 390? 39 cents times 1,000 because that's the multiplier for WTI crude oil. Boom, $390 minus commissions. So let's just go how much? Let's see, 10 $10 profit, 20, 30, 40. Now let's see, close it out at $40 just to see what happens. Now, if you were going to be trading with real money, should you be as nonchalant, don't really care? Totally up to you, but I would recommend them. But I'm not your boss, so you gotta make your own decisions. What else we got going on? So crude oil now closing. Let's take a look at our other one. Not looking good, my friends. Not looking good. Not looking impressive on my third video to be losing money, losing paper trading money. I think I need to look at need to watch more YouTube stock guru videos and learn how to do it better. Whether if that's faking, editing my videos and all that type of stuff to make myself look like I know what I'm doing, then that's I guess that's the way that you do that because if you edit your videos, with your edited videos and paper trading money, you can definitely buy yourself a sandwich. Just kidding. Even if I had a successful, or even if one of the gurus had a successful paper trade, which they might have been pretending that it's real money, it still isn't real money. But it might fool a person. What does that have to do with anything? Nothing. But okay, so we definitely we saw this closing up, start turning over, and now we got a boom, we got this big candle drop here. I don't know if it's big, but compared to that one, right? Compared to that doji, it's big, but maybe not so big compared to this one. The thing that I'm looking at though now is that now in this candle right here, we're opening up in the bottom, like the bottom 10%. We're in the body of the candle, we're definitely in the very bottom. But as far as the whole thing with the shadow on each side, wick, whatever you want to call it, and the body, we're in the bottom 10%. But what does that mean? Well, it could mean that it sometimes it means it's going to keep going lower, and sometimes it doesn't, because look at this. It opened up in the same thing. Instead of low over here, it opened up towards the top and then it went back. So who knows? We'll watch it and see what happens. And as I mentioned, so that's how I'm going to deal with it, right? I'm going to deal with it like that. I got that short call going on, and see if it drops down enough to close that out at $40, and that will help mitigate a little bit of those losses, and not too many because the man when that future drops at you know $10 a penny seems to move a bit faster than changing the premium of the short call. Generally speaking, that's kind of what I noticed. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so for that we got uh, we got orders to close out the short call and the long future. We'll see how that goes. We talked about this one, Meta. What's going on in Meta? All right, we still got this iron condor going on. Let's put that in the old analyze. And price right here, 593, bump right in there, 593.01, pushing up closer to the side of it. But this is really long dated. And if I remember correctly, at one time this was like $33 profit. So maybe I should set up something to pull that off. I'm really just kind of experimenting with these leap iron condor, see what can happen. All right, so we looked at that, analyze, and nothing to be too excited either way about, yay or nay. And then what do we got on the spy? I think naked. I don't know if that's naked or not. We return this text message. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this. Analyze tab. Oh, yep, got a put option on there. Boom, with possibly the most profit being $142. What should we do? Should we take some action on that? Right now we got a profit of 25, 25.50. When did I open this up? Oh, boom. All right, open that up on November 29th, which was what? What day was that? November 29th, Sunday. Okay. All right. I guess so. Whatever. November 29th, Sunday. Well, that's what it says. And I think I was doing this test of open up at 45 days and closing out at 21 to see what happens. So, how many days we got left? We got a lot before if we're going to close out at 21. So we'll just let it ride for the moment. And watching this, not having kind of doing some sideways thing. Let's take a peek at. Oh, we can just look right here. Any change in our call? No. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no change. Sorry, no change. All right, so we got that paper trade. What else we got? Walmart still doing this diagonal spread and long a February 21 85 put on Walmart, and right now short the 91 put the December 6th. And it looks like December 6th got about a little bit over 20% probability of of expiring in the money. That's it. That's the paper trades at the moment that that I currently have on. And I wanted to answer, make sure I'm thoroughly answering this viewer question here from Miss Kristen. And just in case someone that can't read, and that's why you're listening to YouTube instead of reading trading books. I really appreciate your efforts. Well, thank you, Kristen. I appreciate you letting me know that you appreciate. I have a quick question. Absolutely. I'm not here really to answer questions. I'm here to make friends and make sure I'm doing some paper trades, but I'll do my best because I guess maybe sometimes answering questions can help bring in friends. Okay, so Kristen's question is my OKX. Huh, I haven't heard of that ticker symbol. Wallet. Oh, wallet. Oh, interesting. Hold some USDT. Is that Tether stuff? And I have the seed phrase. All right. Doesn't sound like stock market stuff to me or anything I've heard in the futures market. Alarm, fetch, churn, bridge, exercise, tape, speak, race, clerk, couch, creator, letter. I'm guessing Kristen is doesn't speak English as her native language because these are a bunch of words. They're just kind of like strung together, and they really don't make any grammatical sense. And I get it. Like I'm not an English major. However, I did really enjoy literature class all throughout my elementary, junior high, and high school. And I'm somewhat, I mean, I would consider myself fluent in the English language, and this just really isn't doing anything for me here. I'm not understanding. It doesn't even seem like any type of trading jargon, so not sure. Could you please, could you explain how to move them to Binance? Binance is something to do with cryptocurrency exchange. I think there's this thing like Chinese thing or something. I'm not sure. So I had responded back to Kristen. No, I can't explain that. And this part's probably not going to win me any friends, but golly gee, I guess today I'm going to be honest. In fact, you should question why you would ask this channel, paper trading is cool, uh, that question when the content here has nothing to do with crypto wallets. So good luck. So, Kristen, I hope I did my best in explaining that, I don't have anything to do with cryptocurrencies, Binance, any of that stuff. I guess I do have something to do with cryptocurrency. Golly gee, Miss Kristen, I just realized I am a liar. I just straight lied to you. I know a lot about cryptocurrency. In fact, I know so much about cryptocurrency. Let's explore how much I know about cryptocurrency. I was just giving you the wrong information. Look at this. Wrong information. How could I even say I don't know anything about cryptocurrency when every day I am looking at the Bitcoin future? In fact, this is a 9 month weekly chart of the Bitcoin futures, Kristen. Can you see what's been happening here? Look at that. Look at this bull trend that it's been in, Kristen. I know that's not really helping you with your hunky dory sentence you gave me there, and moving stuff from Binance and Wallet and everything like that. And you got to remember, asset protection says I don't own anything, Kristen. So I don't even have a wallet. I don't have one in my pants pocket or online. So this is what's going on. And Kristen, let's go one further. I can do one further for you. It might not be answering the question that you want, but I'll try my best with all this cryptocurrency stuff. So let's just take a look at what does Schwab request of margin to go long one Bitcoin future. Well, not too bad, right? Not too bad for my paper trading account with what I have going on here. Only a little over $80,000. That's I'm just kidding, Kristen. That's not really that good. It's not really that good. You know, I don't think it's that good. Let's look at some other futures. Here's the initial margin right here, so we can compare them. All right, here's just randomly. Look at soybeans. Look at that, Kristen. Why would you? I don't know. Maybe you probably have a legitimate reason, but a lot of people would think, why would I put up $80,000, 80,500, be closer, of margin to trade Bitcoin when soybean futures only requires 2,200. I mean, look at here. Oats. Everybody loves the Zow, the Oz backwards, right? Everybody loves themselves some oats. A Quaker guy. Look at that. 13, Kristen. There's something even lower in here. Oh, look at 600 bucks. Volatility. Now, maybe you want to trade Bitcoin and maybe you're willing to put up this 80,500 because of the novelty, because it's cool. Bitcoin is a trendy thing. Well, how impressive will it be if you go to the cocktail party or the 40 ounce in a brown paper bag party, whatever type of party you go to, martini parties or dry parties, maybe you go to some other type of event. I don't know, but wherever you go, how impressive would it be if you start telling your friends that you're long the 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 mini VIX futures contract. Huh? How about that? Wouldn't they be impressed? But you can slap on a whole lot more E-mini corn futures when your margin's only 220 bucks. So yeah, you do you for sure. But let's double check that Bitcoin. Here we go. Bitcoin. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. I guess I'm getting a discount on that margin because our margin over here per Schwab says that initial margin is $127,000, 556. Oh, oh man. So tick value 25 bucks. So I don't know, Bitcoin future moves five bucks, you get 25. Yeah, I don't know. That's if the margin wasn't super high, I probably would I probably would experiment with that. But I don't see any point experimenting with that when I got my baby right here. My baby, my baby. Move one penny, change your position by 10 bucks. Look at that. Initial margin is only 5 grand. So whatever. But all right. So going forward, Kristen, don't ask me questions about cryptocurrency because I ain't got no answers for you, sister. All right. Other than that, my friends, let's check out this losing position here and see if I can make it into a winner. All right. Well, looks like we're all right. We're moving back in the right direction, but I'm not sure how long I should keep flapping my lips on this video when I got a certain somebody wanting a response via text message. But yeah, we'll see. All right. Now we just so what happened? We had drop down here, right? This was boom, this is that big drop. Opened here, 5 minutes, didn't really do anything. Dropped down a little bit more, boom. But it kind of has this look like maybe it's gonna go down. Either way, we'll see what happens. One time, I will admit something that most people probably don't want to admit. One time, I think I was down like I was trading. I was uh, I was long crude oil futures contract, and uh, I was down like it was like $15,000. Of course, it was paper money, but golly gee, Williker Jimmy Crickets. Uh, I know for you, big ballers, being down, like y'all putting up the Bitcoin margin without a problem, right? You get that basketball player money. Well, ain't got that, asset protection says, I ain't got fish. I ain't got nothing. So the most I can do is I'm in Starbucks right now. You can probably hear all the noise in the background. I'm in Starbucks stealing Wi-Fi, right? I don't even pay for anything. I just come in here and talk to myself, and they kind of leave me alone because they think I'm crazy, and that's it. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, oh, got some movement. We got some movement. Should I try to stretch this out? We're gonna go a little longer. I don't think anyone really wants to watch these videos, but you know, I'm not winning any friends in the cryptocurrency crowd, so I might win some friends somewhere else. I don't know. At the minimum, I'll be talking to myself over here. I'm really not at Starbucks. I was totally joking. If I guess I could hear all that stuff in the background. Oh, but how did I get an order? Like, I'm totally kidding. Anyways, I'm done. I'm done playing around here. Oh, I hope you guys have a fantastic night, and I will talk to you some other time, whenever that time is. Aloha.